Peanut butter, a beloved spread and snack, is more than just a delicious treat. It's a nutrient-dense food packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. When you choose natural peanut butter, free from added sugars and hydrogenated oils, it offers a wholesome source of nutrition that can provide numerous health benefits. While it's easy to think of peanut butter as simply a comforting, indulgent food, it actually plays an important role in supporting overall health, particularly in muscle repair, heart health, and satiety. One of the key benefits of natural peanut butter is its rich content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are known for their heart-healthy properties, as they help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels while supporting the production of good cholesterol, HDL. Consuming foods high in monounsaturated fats, like peanut butter, is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. The presence of these fats helps promote proper blood circulation and supports the health of your arteries. Additionally, these fats are more stable at higher temperatures compared to polyunsaturated fats, making peanut butter a safer choice for cooking or spreading on warm foods. The protein content in natural peanut butter is another reason why it's an excellent addition to a balanced diet. With about 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoon serving, peanut butter provides a substantial protein boost that supports muscle repair and maintenance. Protein is essential for the growth and repair of tissues, including muscles, and is a key component of enzymes and hormones. For athletes, active individuals, or anyone looking to maintain lean muscle mass, peanut butter can be a convenient and tasty way to help meet daily protein needs. The protein in peanut butter is plant-based, making it a great option for vegetarians and vegans seeking alternative protein sources. In addition to its healthy fats and protein, peanut butter is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, and folate. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports immune function. Magnesium is vital for muscle function, nerve function, and the production of energy. Potassium plays an essential role in regulating fluid balance and supporting heart health, while folate is important for cell growth and the production of DNA. Peanut butter also supports satiety, making it an excellent food for those looking to manage their weight or control hunger. The combination of healthy fats and protein helps keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on less nutritious options. For people trying to lose or maintain weight, adding a small serving of peanut butter to meals or snacks can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. Pairing peanut butter with fruits, vegetables, or whole grains creates a balanced snack that offers lasting energy and satisfaction. While peanut butter is nutrient-dense, it's important to remember that it's calorie-dense as well. A typical serving size of natural peanut butter, 2 tablespoons, contains around 190 calories. For people monitoring their calorie intake, portion control is key when enjoying peanut butter. It's easy to overeat peanut butter because of its rich flavor and creamy texture, so sticking to the recommended serving size can help prevent excess calorie consumption. It's also important to choose natural peanut butter that contains only peanuts and possibly a small amount of salt, avoiding brands with added sugars, hydrogenated oils, or artificial preservatives. Many commercial peanut butter products on the market contain added sugars and unhealthy fats that can diminish the health benefits of the spread. Opting for natural peanut butter ensures that you're getting the purest form of this nutritious food without unnecessary additives. Another consideration when consuming peanut butter is its potential to cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Peanut allergies are one of the most common food allergies, particularly in children, and they can result in severe, life-threatening reactions. It's crucial to be mindful of allergies when offering peanut butter to others and always check labels for cross-contamination warnings. For those with peanut allergies, there are numerous peanut butter alternatives available on the market, such as almond butter, sunflower seed butter, and cashew butter, that offer similar health benefits. Though peanut butter is an excellent source of nutrition, consuming it in combination with a balanced diet is crucial. It should be seen as a complement to whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, rather than as a replacement for other nutrient-rich foods. Pairing peanut butter with these foods can enhance its health benefits, providing a well-rounded source of energy, protein, and healthy fats. In conclusion, natural peanut butter is more than just a tasty treat. It is a nutrient-packed spread that provides essential healthy fats, plant-based protein and a range of vitamins and minerals. Regular consumption of peanut butter, in moderation, can contribute to better heart health, muscle repair, and overall satiety, making it an excellent food choice for a variety of diets and lifestyles. Just be sure to choose natural, unsweetened peanut butter, stick to appropriate portion sizes, and balance it with other healthy foods for optimal results. Whether enjoyed on toast, in smoothies, or paired with fruits and vegetables, peanut butter can be a nourishing and satisfying addition to your daily routine.